I got some of this UV dye. We can pump it up with some of this stuff. That way we can find any future leaks.
So here's a bottle right here. It's got 1 fluid ounce in here. They say to use like 1/4 of it when you're doing this. I got my AC gauges hooked up and this thing had a leak, so I pretty much fixed it at this point, but I want to make sure in the future that it's not going to leak. And if it does, we'll be able to find it. So what I do is I dump some of this in there so that if it leaks in the future, I can come back with a flashlight at night and find my leak, so I don't have to do this all over again. So you just get a UV flashlight, shine it, all over the engine bay, and you can find the leak easy.
You don't want to get this stuff all over the place.
So what I do is after I pull a vacuum, I just take the line off, dump some of this in there before I follow it up with my refrigerant. All right, I'm gonna close them off, shut off the vacuum pump and let it sit for like, 30 minutes or something and see if this needle moves at all. If it doesn't move, we're good to charge. All right, so it's done pulling the vacuum. This thing's been going for like 45 minutes now, so it's time to inject this stuff. Inject some of this, get some refrigerant in there, we should be good to go. All right, it's done. The high side's reading good and the low side's reading good. Never open this. No leaks. Nothing.
Saves a lot of time finding future leaks.